To swap your Phantom Wallet recovery phrase, follow these steps. First, understand what a recovery phrase is. It is a list of words that allows you to restore your wallet and access your funds if you lose access to your device or wallet. Begin by opening your Phantom Wallet and clicking on the settings icon, usually represented as a gear. Then, navigate to the Security or Account section, where you will find the option to reveal your seed phrase or recovery phrase. Next, write down your current recovery phrase and store it in a safe place, as you will need it to restore your wallet later. Now, to generate a new recovery phrase, you will need to create a new wallet and then transfer your funds to this new wallet. To create a new wallet, open Phantom Wallet and click on Create or Add Account. Then select Create New Wallet. Follow the prompts to generate a new recovery phrase and store it safely. Once you have your new wallet set up, send your funds from your old wallet to your new wallet address. After transferring your funds, ensure that your new wallet is set up correctly and that you have access to your funds. Finally, delete your old wallet and store your new recovery phrase in a secure location, such as a safe or a secure note-taking app. Best practices for managing your recovery phrase include storing it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app, and never sharing it with anyone. Additionally, make sure to transfer your funds to your new wallet address carefully, double-checking the address to avoid any losses. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely swap your Phantom Wallet recovery phrase and protect your funds. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and recovery phrase to ensure the safety of your cryptocurrency.